bump. That's what they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
I wonder what it does.
Shall I turn it on and find out?
Diggs, you leave that alone.
No.
That is my new recharger.
Oh, wow, a new recharger.
Yeah, I just don't know how it works yet.
Oh, that's easy. Look, I'll show you.
Don't you think we'd better wait for Boza?
Oh, don't be silly. Just jump on and I'll give it a crank.
Okay, but be careful.
Oh, as if I wouldn't be
Dum,
careful.
dum, dum, dum,
Come on then,
dum,
back up onto that plate.
Careful, Carrie.
dum.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Ah, the room. Here we go.
Oh.
Whoa. Oh, it's pressing my batteries. Whoa. Oh, dear. Oh, Diggs. Diggs, stop it now.
Oh dear.
Diggs, I want to come down. Stop it higher. Oh, Diggs. Oh, Diggs, stop it now.
All right, Carrie.
Nearly, Carl. Just a few more feet.
What's a heavy one?
Whoa!
Ow! It snapped! Mr. Grabber, he's down the hole!
Steady, Diggs. Actually, I feel great, Diggs. You did it.
Haha. Told you I knew what I was doing.
Ow! Ow!
Oh. Carrie, why are all those boats sticking to you?
Oh, Diggs, you've made me magnetic.
Don't worry about that, Carrie. It'll wear off in no time.
Ow! Oh! Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh, this is getting heavy.
Oh, I'll go and get Boza.
Oh, no. You don't want to worry Boza. He'll only think we've been tinkering with things that we shouldn't.
But you have.
Ah, but I know how to fix it.
How?
Oh, just roll back on the recharger and I'll have you demagnetized before you can say, low-flying buckets.
Oh, all right. But you better get it right this time.
Carrie, trust me. Now then, let me see.
Oh, Mr. Hooky will hook my grabber in no time.
If this doesn't work, I'll go to the supply shed. We might have something there that will get your grabber out.
Come to me, my little grabber.
Steady, Diggs.
There you go, all fixed.
Then why has Carrie still got all those metal things stuck to her?
Oh, I was hoping no one would notice that.
This is no time for a team hug.
Oh, I can't move. You're too magnetic.
Oh, Diggs, this is all your fault.
I think it's rather cozy.
Right, stay calm. When I give the word, everyone drive backwards. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
They're all out of action, magnetic attraction. They're all stuck together, a new interaction. This may mean destruction, no work on construction.
Sorry,
They're all
Shelf.
stuck together, a new kind of suction. It's good to be friendly, but how did this start?
Embarrassing.
Try and grab something strong and pull yourselves apart.
Grab it! Grab it!
They're all out of action, something,
For the
or
best
they'll
you can
laugh
come
them
up
off
with.
the site.
Right. Ready? Steady.
They're all out of action, magnetic attraction. They're all stuck together, a new interaction. They're all out of action, magnetic attraction. They're all stuck together, a new interaction. This may mean destruction, no work on construction. They're all stuck together, a new kind of suction.
Now what are we gonna do?
Help! We're stuck! Get us out of here!
All looks okay here. Oh! What on earth is Whoa! Whoa! Why am I being pulled towards you?
Well, that will be because I kind of made Carrie magnetic.
You did what?
He was tinkering around with Carrie's new charger.
Oh, we had lots of flashing lights.
Diggs, I'll speak to you later. But first, you've given me an idea. Try and follow me. Oh!
Oh, that's strange. I'm getting a twitch in my hooky.
It's Carrie, Carl. She's gone magnetic. Now drive right to the edge of the hole, Carrie.
Okay, Boza.
I think you'll find this will do the trick, Carl.
Ow! Why do I ever listen to Diggs?
My grabber is safe and sound.
Right. Let's do something to get you three apart. And then we can demagnetize Carrie.
There you are, Carrie. You'll be as right as radiators in no time. And Diggs, do you know how to avoid things like this happening again?
Yes. Before I start tinkering about with things I don't understand, I ask a big machine.
Got it in one.
Phew! I feel so much lighter. But I can only go backwards now.
All right. Does anyone have the instructions for the new recharger?
Look at me, coming backwards. I can't stop.
Here she comes. Mind your hands.
That one.
Oh,
Gone roundabout machine. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.